বারবার ওকে আমি আরেকবার বলছি so equals number of employee those are part time so how to do this the formula should be count using criteria that should be CountIf so equals to CountIf within bracket range comma criteria what should be the range part time and full time the entire cell what should be the criteria part time bracket close enter 3 so number should be 3 so we have calculated using CountIf function clear okay write down what is CountIf CountIf তোমরা লেখনি তোমরাও লেখো বসে আছো শুধু আমি ভিডিও রেকর্ড বন্ধ করে দেবো তাহলে তাহলে ছবি তোলা যাবে না ভিডিওটা পাঠিয়ে দেবে না ভিডিও করছে CountIf all of you write down CountIf count using specific criteria count using specific criteria syntax key syntax means what would be the formula syntax equals to CountIf then range comma criteria so what should be the range in our excel sheet what should be the range the excel sheet what should be the range equals to CountIf the range should be part time or full time and criteria should be part time bracket close enter 3 okay so CountIf count using specific criteria syntax equals to CountIf range comma criteria okay next নোটপ্যাডে হয়েছে next one is CountIfs so count as per multiple criteria like equals to CountIfs example so number of employee all part-time employee in IT department so that should be count all part-time employee in IT department so part-time employee in IT department so that should be two condition one is part-time another is IT so that should be CountIfs within bracket range criteria range 1 comma criteria 1 so what should be the criteria range 1 part time or full time that will be criteria range 1 what should be the criteria part time what should be the criteria range 2 IT accounts HR what should be the criteria 2 IT now that should be 2 okay so CountIfs criteria range 1 comma criteria 1 comma criteria range 2, comma, criteria 2, criteria 2, comma, dot 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 dot. Clear all of you? Next one means suppose we have to create one separate worksheet. This one is a separate worksheet. Suppose Ram is absent in subject 2, Jodu in absent in subject 1, Rahul absent in subject 3. Clear? So number of absent. So how to calculate number of absent? How to calculate number of absent? How to calculate? Yes, that should be count blank equals to count blank. Then select all the cells and enter 3. So that should be absent using count blank. So how to calculate? Again, equals to count blank, first bracket open, all the subjects, bracket close, enter. So number of absent is 3. That should be count blank. Write down count blank. Count blank. Count the number of blank cell. Count the number of blank cell. So what should be the syntax? So now count blank, count number of blank cell. Okay, how to calculate count blank? Equals to count blank within bracket cell range, equals to count blank cell range. It will provide us the number of blank cell. Okay, so if we practice it on Excel, so what should be the Excel sheet? The number of absent equals to count blank, yes, 3. Okay, okay. Number of present means number of present. Number of present means if there is the seat is little bit different. If the seat is little bit different, suppose we are changing this seat, we are taking similar seat in the next seat. Okay, so number of present we are selecting both and dragging. We are selecting both and dragging. Excel follow the pattern automatically. Now we have to calculate the number of absent. So how to calculate? That should be equals to CountIf, right? So that should be this one, comma, within bracket, that means A, 6. So number of present equals to CountIf that should be range within bracket. Is it clear now? So the format should be different. If that is blank, then we have to calculate count blank, right? So no exam assigned. No exam assigned means those are blank. Okay, so how to calculate? Equals to count blank. ওই দিন ওদের পরীক্ষা ছিল না। No exam assigned. কতজন? 5 জন। All of you understand? Clear? CountIf CountBlank. Where I have to use CountIf, where I have to use CountBlank. Clear? সবাই বুঝতে পারলে? হ্যাঁ, সিনট্যাক্স কোন সিনট্যাক্সটা বলুন? এইটা CountIf এর, তাই তো? কাউন্ট ওকে। নাম্বার অফ প্রেজেন্ট এই যে পি আছে, আমি ম্যাগনিফায়ার অন করছি, দেখতে সুবিধা হবে। দাঁড়াও, i7 প্রসেসর। This is the syntax. Okay, just write down the syntax. The CountIf cell reference, then P. ও টুল, তোমরা দাঁড়িয়ে আছো, ওদের টুলগুলো দাও। আরে সব দিচ্ছ কেন? 3টে দাও না। ওরে বাবা, গন্ধমাদন পর্বত চাগিয়ে নিয়ে যাচ্ছে। এটা লেখা হয়ে গেছে। ওকে, next one is our number of absent, okay, and number of no exam assigned. This is count blank. Clear all of you? Total. So how to calculate total? Write down any marks. So total, how to calculate total? Just write down equals to sum within bracket the subjects, then bracket close and enter. We need to drag it. Sum will be automatically calculated. Now suppose status. How to calculate status? Write down status total less than 200 fail, otherwise pass. So total less than 200 is fail, otherwise pass. Clear? So how to calculate? Bolo, equals to if within bracket total lesser equals to 200, then first condition should be fail, otherwise the second condition should be pass. Clear? So fail. Now we have to drag. Clear all of you? How to calculate? Using magnifier. I am showing the formula again. See the pass fail formula. This one equals to if form, that means total cell lesser equals to 200, the first condition, that should be fail, otherwise the second condition, that should be pass. Clear? Understand all of you? Now we have to use conditional formatting. The cell will be automatically formatted using the condition. If we use fail, that will be in red in color. If we use the condition pass, that will be green in color automatically. So how to do this? Just select all the cell element, go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, equals to fail, then that should be red. If the conditional formatting equals to pass, then that should be green. Clear? Okay. Okay. So if we take another student, if we take another student like Saurabh getting 98, 76, 45. So the total number of Saurabh should be 219. So it will be automatically pass and formatting will be green. Clear? It is conditional formatting. Conditional formatting. That means we have to format our Excel cell as per the given format. In this format we have created, for fail the cell color should be red in color, and for pass the cell color should be green in color. So how to do this? Just remove the formatting again. I am just removing the formatting, taking format painter and removing all the formats. Clear? So how to do this? I am showing you again. Follow it. Just select all the cell, go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, equal to, if fail, so what should be the effect? Red in color. And select all the cell, go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, equal to, if that is pass, take it as green, then okay. Now we are taking another student details and give the number like Isita, the number is 34, 23, 56. So that should be fail. Clear? Automatically comes. Now if we select the marks, those are less than 34. If we select the marks, those are less than 34, that will be in different color. So how to do this? Just go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, less than 34, that will be custom format. So what should be the custom format? The custom format, that should be in red, and border color should be in purple, and font should be color in white. So okay, see, this is fail, this number has failed. So now we are taking another student details. Insert Shoikath number is 67, 89, 21. See, the Shoikath getting less than 34, so that is red in color, status is also in fail. Clear all of you? Understand? Now we have to discuss one assignment in absolute cell reference. So how to do this absolute cell reference? Let's suppose we have another sheet. Like this is invoice of Ram Traders Limited. So invoice of Ram Traders Limited. Okay, this is the company. So date, tax, date, so tax rate 18%. Now product quantity, rate, amount, tax, total. Clear? Now we are taking few products. Like computer. Quantity 5 piece, rate 15,000. Amount should be quantity into rate. So tax should be equals to amount into percentage. So total should be equals to amount plus tax. Clear? Now we are taking laptop. Laptop quantity is 3. Price is 45,000. So we are taking the tax. See, tax are not being calculated. Why? Because the sale reference was first sale. The sale reference was, see, the sale reference is B5 B3 and again the sale reference is B4, but tax is in B3 fixed. So B4 there is no value of tax, so that is not relative sale reference, that is the absolute sale reference. So how to do this? Just delete that, choose this one, select the tax value, press F4 key, dollar will be automatically applied and press enter. It will be in absolute sale reference now. Now drag it. The value is calculated. Now total will be also calculated. Clear all of you? Absolute sale reference. Where is magnifier? গেল কোথায়? ওই তো এখানেই তো ছিল। হ্যাঁ যে সাইডে করতে না তো এখানে ছোট করব।